Good morning, friends. Can you tell I'm just waking up? Look at this. I got like the most beautiful hair. And Chulo's here. Say hi, Chulo. There's his nose. There's his nose. You guys get the nose. Anyways, thought I would record another weekend edition of what I eat in a day. I like recording these on the weekends because then I can show you recipes and stuff that I'm doing. And this morning I have a really exciting, what am I trying to say? What do you eat? The meal you eat in the morning is breakfast. A breakfast recipe. So I don't know, maybe I'll film a cook with me. Should I film a cook with me, Steve?
Yes.
We're going to do a cook with me. So I'm not going to show you the cook with me in this video, but know that it will be upcoming. And you'll get to see the results before you see the cook with me. That's a huge commitment for me. I don't know what time it even is, but I know I've been awake for less than an hour, so yeah, just in case you weren't overwhelmed. So anyways, wow, I can't work this out. Let me show you my coffee cup. I've got my good old classic Faith coffee cup. I am drinking right now regular black coffee with non-fat half and half from Aldi's, and I went to TJ Maxx and got my pumpkin spice skinny syrup. So yeah, we're on to the pumpkin spice mode. So anyways, I'm going to finish my coffee. I'm going to watch the rest of the movie The Hangover, just in case you guys wanted to know what I was watching. Then I'll get breakfast started. See you in a bit. So my breakfast is going to take a while to cook, so I'm going to have a light snack beforehand. I have 170 grams of this light vanilla non-fat yogurt. And then I made some granola yesterday. This is pumpkin spice granola. It's got oatmeal, pecans, pumpkin seeds, and I don't know what else. I'll link the recipe down below. I'm going to put 1/3 cup on top of that, and I'll put the point value right here at the bottom of the screen.
Guys, I am so excited to share this with you. Remember, there's going to be a cook with me coming up on this recipe. I will give you the name, though. This is the apple streusel crostata, and it is from the Best of WW cookbook. It is point heavy, unfortunately, but it is so good and so worth it. This is 8 points on my personal point plan.
Okay, I'm going to have a quick lunch here. Just making a sandwich and some chips on the side. I am using the Carb Smart 5-seed bread. It is 2 slices for 2 points. Then I have a piece of the Jarlsberg Light Swiss cheese for 2 points. I get this at Trader Joe's. Then I have a little bit of dill mustard from Trader Joe's for 0 points. Maybe more than a little bit. I don't know. And then I am going to be eating 6 slices of the buffalo style chicken breast. And on the side, I will have 1 serving of the barbecue veggie puffs for 2 points. I forgot to show you my drink. I am having the Waterloo sparkling water grape flavor for 0 points with my yummy yummy lunch. Alright guys, it is dinner time. I have half of a spaghetti squash here. I made this earlier in the week, so I'm just reheating the second half. Just reheated it in the microwave. I'm going to take a fork. I'm going to scrape all the spaghetti, is that what you call it, off the sides. It's a little hot, so I'm trying not to burn my fingers too bad. Then I just eat it right out of the shell. Is it the shell? The skin? I don't know. I use it as a bowl. Then I'm going to do, I think, either a half a cup or 2 cups of this no sugar added ragu. I'm going to start with a half a cup and see what it looks like. And if I want to do a full cup, that's fine. It's a half a cup for 2 points or 1 full cup for 5. And the spaghetti squash is no points, so. Alright, let's see here. I'm going for a full cup just because I have the points for today, guys. Yep, I'm doing it. Oh, I bumped you. Sorry. Oh, that's a lot. That's okay though. And then lastly, I'm going to add 28 grams of this fresh Parmesan cheese to the top of it. So to do that, I am going to have to get my scale out. We'll turn it on. Can you guys see that? There we go. We'll place this whole thing right there on top. We'll zero it out. And then we'll add the 28 grams of the Parmesan cheese. And it's going to be quite a bit, isn't it? Ooh. That'll take much. There we go. So there is my spaghetti squash. And then for dessert, I have some Butterfinger pie that I made earlier in the week. It's 1/3 cup servings. I will leave the recipe down in the description, and point values for the entire meal will be at the bottom of the screen.